Welcome to our quick update video. We just wanted to come to you all and let you all know of a little bit of a format change here at TBK Homeworld. We're actually going to be working on splitting off and have this channel be more specific for the tools and vehicle repairs. And what we're going to be doing with some of the other content is we're going to be breaking it off to a new YouTube channel called Rowdy Homestead Ranch, or as we like to call it, RHR.
That's right, we're going to take all of our homestead relating content, cooking and baking, food preservation type of things, cleaning and gardening and animal husbandry, and just in general healthy handful of life lessons as things go on, and share that with you there.
So we're really excited with the direction that the RHR brand is taking with this. So if you're interested in those types of content, please be sure to go ahead and subscribe to that. Link will be down below. And if you're enjoying the tool review videos and all these repair videos that I continue to do, then go ahead and stay subscribed here, or better yet, why not subscribe to both? Thanks for watching.
Bye.